Hello, my name is David Gonzalez. Um, I want to talk about a place I like to visit on vacation, Ica. It is a very beautiful place in the south of the country. The best time to visit Ica is in summer because the weather is warm and sunny. In Ica, I like to visit Huacachina Oasis, where you can see a desert lagoon surrounded by big sand dunes. I also like to go sandboarding and ride dune buggies. Uh, it is very exciting and fun. There are many special things in Ica. For example, you can try delicious local food um, like carapulcas with sopa seca, and the landscapes are also amazing, especially the deserts and sunsets. I like it, I like Ica because it's relaxing and adventurous at the same time. Um, when I go there, I always feel happy and relaxed. If I have time, I also visit um, vineyards to try pisco. I usually travel to Ica by bus and I go there to relax and enjoy nature. Thank you.